Hey everyone, John here. Today on Blog and Good Food, we are going to show you how to freeze peaches so you can enjoy that yummy summer flavor anytime you want. It's really easy and anyone can do it at home. Here's what you need. Fresh peaches, a big pot, a bowl of ice water, knife, cutting board, freezer bags, optional, lemon juice, fruit freshener, sugar if you want them sweeter. Step 1. Blanch the pieces. This step helps to make peeling easier and keeps the peaches from turning brown. Fill a big pot with water and boil it. While the water is heating, get a big bowl of ice water ready. Cut a small X on the bottom of each peach with a knife. Put the peaches in the boiling water for 30 seconds. Then quickly move them to the ice water to cool. Step 2. Peel and slice. Once the peaches are cool, the skins should come off easily. Rub the skin with your fingers and it should peel off. If there are tough spots, use your knife to help. Then cut the peaches into halves, wedges or small pieces, depending on how you want to use them later. Tip: don't worry about perfect slices. Frozen peaches are great for smoothies, pies or just by themselves. Step 3. Preventing browning. To keep the peaches from turning brown, mix them with a little lemon juice and water. You can also use a special fruit freshener to do this. Step 4. Pack and freeze. Putting the peaches in freezer bags, let any extra liquid drain off the peaches. Put the peach slices in freezer bags, leaving a little space at the top. If you like your peaches sweeter, sprinkle some sugar on them before sealing the bag. Squeeze out as much air as you can before sealing the bag tightly. Step 5. Label and freeze. Use a marker to write the date on the bag. This helps you remember when you froze the peaches. Lay the bags flat in your freezer for better storage. And that's it. Freezing peaches is super easy. With this method, you can enjoy the taste of summer peaches all year long. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more tasty food tips and tricks. We love having you as part of Blog and Good Food community.